the B reading, Antony's speech. He is Mark Antony, the fast friend of Julius Caesar. Julius Caesar, he is as I told you already, is a bodily weak, health-wise weak, but a very strong administrator of Rome. Roman emperor is very strong. And when a man becomes or grows strong to stronger and stronger to strongest, it is inevitable for other people to become jealous about his authority. This is what Shakespeare has picturized in his drama Julius Caesar. Now let me share some knowledge which I have. That is, earlier we used to have only 10 months in a year. Maybe 36, 360 days have been distributed like that. Then what happened is, 1 month has been put over there, created over there, and that month has been named against this Julius Caesar, July. If not, what we were having was January, February, March, April, May, June, August, September, October. Octo means 10. Sapta means 9. Right? So, Octo, Sapta, and August was not there. August was not there. Now you see, once again, let us count. January, February, March, April, May, June, September, October, November, December. Once again, something is going wrong now. 10 are there, no? Yes, now 10. January, February, March, April, May, 5. June, September, October, November, and December. December is 10. Deci. Right? Nava is 9. Sapta. Right? Octa means 8. Sapta means 7. That way these months have been named. So between that, July has come after June. Thereafter, there was a great emperor, again Roman emperor. He was called as Augustus Caesar. Augustus Caesar. So that Augustus Caesar, he could also able to make a good repo in the history. And so on his name, August has been created. So July and August by the names of the Roman emperor Julius Caesar and Augustus Caesar. This is what I want to share with you, and you can check it. This is the thing. And before that, Julius Caesar and his death, it is a political one, politically motivated death it is. So Shakespeare has taken that topic and written very beautiful drama over that, and the situation and how dreadful the night, etc. One should read it, because if I explain that, probably I may lose some words. I may not have words for it. I may grope for the words. A very terrible night has been created, in which wife of Julius Caesar says, "Don't go there. I presume something. I see all bad omens. Please don't go." Julius Caesar doesn't heed to her request. Antonio comes, and Antonio also says the same thing, but he did not heed, because he is a very powerful emperor. He doesn't see anything, and he goes and falls prey for Brutus and company. All of them, they stab him, some from behind, and when he got the behind stroke, and some in the stomach and somewhere, everywhere they have stabbed him, left him there in the bad weather to die. And goes go off. The next morning, they gather at that place where Julius Caesar had been killed, and they speak about him. He was punished. Why? Because he was ambitious. That way Brutus says. Right? Now, Antonio's duty is to see that his friend, the mortal remains of his friend, should get the highest military or this monarch, or what you say is emperor like respect. It has been left on the street. But he is alone. He has seen that Brutus and company already influenced the people against Julius Caesar. If at all he does something, the people may go against him and may also kill him. So, this speech was very necessary. In almost every drama, Shakespeare takes care to put a speech, and that to having a great weight of the speech, that kind of speech. If you see Merchant of Venice, Portia gives a speech about the mercy, the quality of mercy. And if you see As You Like It, there Jacques, he speaks about the man and the earth relation and stages. That has become very famous speech over there, Jacques' speech over there. And here also mercy, it has become very famous one. And here Mark Antony's speech. Why? With this single speech, he could able to just convert the enmity of the people as the friend or friendship towards the dead body. And Brutus and party were seen as if they are very respectable people. That he again changed. Everybody changes these people and tries to kill them. That is the essence of this speech. And so, politically motivated speech, how people can be converted, diverted, just simply, he knows these people are nothing but sheep. They hear, if I speak something in this grave situation, people will be after me. And those people can be removed, eliminated. Then automatically Mark Antony is the emperor over there.